Mr. President, Honorable Principal Sir, respected teachers, and my dear school fellows, Assalamu alaikum. As you know, that vacation is a break for the students from their regular study schedule in the schools. It is a time of rejoicing and fun for all of the students. Vacations are the holidays that are granted to school students and working people. These vacations are a great time to rejoice with family, friends, and close ones. Children eagerly wait for these vacations. The summer vacations are of longer duration, but the extremely hot weather conditions are prevailing at that time. The vacations of winter are only for 2 weeks, but it is the best vacation for everyone. Summer and winter are two vacations that are provided to the students. Winter vacations are short but provide us a great time to enjoy with our family and friends. The winter season is loved by many of us. It is my favorite season and thus I eagerly wait for the arrival of this season. The winter vacations provided during this season enhance the joy of winters for me. The winter vacations are of a very short period. The vacations provide us the freedom to sleep till late hours in the morning. We also enjoy different types of dishes that are prepared in winter and served hot. The festivals like New Year are great times to enjoy during the winter vacations. I love to go for outing with my family and friends to enjoy and have fun on these occasions. Dear friends, it is the best time for preparing for exams. The winter vacations are providing us ideal time of studies. We can study without the problem of sitting that is common during the summers. This helps us in getting good results during the exams. It is the last break that we get before the annual examinations and hence provides us a great time for relaxing along with studying. We all get a good time enjoying ourselves with our family and friends during the winter vacations. This break is necessary as it gives us good rest and relaxation for a fresh start. Friends, winter is a beautiful season with soothing weather conditions like the scorching heat of summer. The specialties of the winter season cannot be denied. A vacation in this season is not less than cherry on top for children as well as adults. It is a small vacation but people make pre-plans to make the best utilization of these holidays. Vacations as they can freely sleep in the morning and do not have the tension of rising early for the school. Most of us visit the areas of snowfall during our vacations and enjoy the beauty of this season in mountainous areas. We will make different plans in the vacation to make a beautiful experience and spend it nicely. Be safe, be happy. Thank you.